UNP portal. Okay guys, I will explain how to change the wifi.id password in the portal. Step 1. First, open Chrome or Google on your phone. Step 2. Simple type Google portal.unp.ac.id. Step 3. Step 3. Enter your username, password, and answer the question on your portal text and then click sign in. Step 4. Select the Wi-Fi ID password on the portal navigation. Step 5. Create a password to the chain. Repeat the password and enter your portal password. Step 5. Finally, click save and your password will be saved. Thank you for your attention. If you of my word are wrong, please forgive me and see you guys everyone.
You don't even know my name, do you?